44 Control to Department 23A, Signal 18. Odor of natural gas outside in the area of number 3 Malucci Court, Zariello Lane, Matone Circle. 44 Control to Department 23A, Signal 18. Odor of natural gas outside of number 3 Malucci Court in the area of Zariello Lane, Matone Circle at 1213.
23-1, sir.
23-1, you're in at 1213. Getting conflicting on this. Original caller states it's in front of 3 Malucci Court. Secondary caller states it's in front of number 54 Zariello, and we believe there's a contractor there that may have ruptured a main.
Okay, if you haven't already, can you notify owner?
Already done.
Thank you. 23-1's on the scene, establishing command.
23-1 on scene, establishing command at 1217.
23 command at 44 control.
23 command.
Got a high-pressure gas line. It's been struck. Severe leak. Can you expedite ONR? PD already started evacuating the area.
Received. On the line with them now.
Thank you. Bobby, I'm going to set up a command post back here. Up by you.
23 command.
23 command.
ONR will expedite their arrival. There is someone en route at this time.
Okay, thanks, control.
1501 in service.
Command 1501.
1501, by God.
Pull in the backgrounds 2 and stage at the hydrant by the command post, which is right there at the intersection. You'll see us.
Okay, 10-4. 23-2000 responding.
Cars on the right. Right past the intersection right here. Hydrant's on your left. Rescue, pull into Malucci. Wait till the 1501 goes by. Just pull in and move up a little bit. I don't want anybody down the other end. Command at 2000.
2000, by.
Come in at fairgrounds 2 and stage at the hydrant behind at 1501.
2000, 10-4.
All units, manpower stages 23-1501.
23-4, 23 towers in service. 1500's in service.
23 command at 44 control.
23 command.
I have an ONR rep on scene. EMS just stand by at the bowling alley parking lot if you would.
ONR rep at 1224. EMS has been requested.
Thank you. Command at 1500. You stage in a parking alley, bowling alley parking lot. Tower, you get here, stage behind the 2000.
Tower received. 1500 message received. Towers on scene.
500 police cars, fine for now. Get yourself situated so we can get ONR here when you get here, Tower. 1500, don't let anybody else come down here unless they're essential to the scene, please.
1500, copy.
As a matter of fact, Tower, when that car goes by you, come in here and make a left onto Malucci behind at 1501.
1500 to 1. You need the medics in there?
No, we're going to stage them in the bowling alley parking lot.
Message received.
23 command at 44 patrol.
23 command.
Alternate 911 for the remainder of the
23 command, I got alternate response for 911. I didn't catch anything after that.
Anything else for 23 alternate response via 911 streets?
Received.
23 command at 44 control update. Control, we have according to ONR, gas in the sewers and maybe getting back into the buildings. We'll be doing a full evacuation.
Received. Gas in the sewers and a full evacuation at this time. 1234. 23 command.
Guide control.
We switch your frequency.
Yeah, Yeah, switch me to channel 2 and do me a favor, just relocate the engine from Department 4 to 23-100.
Department 4 engine to Department 23's quarters, and we'll be switching to frequency 2.
Tower, back up all the way to the other engine instead of bowling alley. Or right in front of my car is perfect. Control, you move this to channel 2?
In the process. .44 control to all Department 23 units operating at number 3 Malucci Court. Switch your operations to frequency 2, 1238.
Command to 44 control, urgent.
23 command.
23 command to 44 control, urgent.
23 command.
Control, I had a house explode. I need 4-1500 to the scene. And medics at a 105.
Receive 4-1500 to the scene. 23 command.
4-3 to 44 control.
4-3.
4-3 and 4-1500 responding.
4-3, 4-1500 responding to Zariello Court at 1258. Be advised operations are on frequency 2. 44 control to 23 command.
23 command to control. Also a fast team from Department 18 to the scene.
Received. 4-1500 is responding to your location.
23 command to 44 control.
Go ahead, 23 command.
Control, a pumper for Department 26 with manpower to the scene.
Received.
23 command to 4-1500. 23 command to 44 control.
23 command.
Aerial from Department 3. If they're not available, Department to the scene.
It's going to be an aerial from Department 3 if they're not available. What unit?
18 Chief, I'm going to need your fast team to stage in the bowling alley parking lot and walk it, okay? 26-3, copy? 1,500, get it down. Get them out of here. 1,500, pull it right in front of 23-3, a car right here. 23 command to 44 control.
23 command.
Just an update, I got 2 firefighters down, multiple fires. Give me an update on my tower ladder when you get it.
Receive. 44 control to Department 3. 44 control to 23 command.
23 command.
3 tower ETA 5 to 10 and a landing zone for stat flight.
Okay. Did EMS or PD request that flight?
PD has requested stat flight.
Okay. 23 command to 44 control.
23 command.
Landing zone will be West Tavistock Elementary School. West Tavistock Elementary School. Can you give me an engine from Department 6 to respond there, please?
Received. Engine from Department 6 to respond to the West Tavistock Elementary School for the landing zone setup. 1308.
I got the bus in the way. Stand by. Tower 23 command to 44 control.
23 command.
Control 44-5 is going to be your immediate contact for the LZ. As of right now, until the pumper for Hillcrest gets there.
Receive. 44-5 command for the LZ at this time until Department 6 arrives. 44 control to 23 command.
23 command.
23 command, can we verify the mode of travel for the injured firefighter? We're having conflictions here.
I was told staff flight, and that's why I said for the LZ at West Tavistock Elementary. I haven't been told different. I'll try and check for you.
Receive. They are in the air with a 20 ETA. We're getting conflicting stories that they're going by ground, if you can just confirm.
Okay. 23 command to 26 tanker. 26 tanker, pull into the bowling alley parking lot. That'll be staging. And bring your manpower to my command post. 18EQ, 9W and Railroad. 18EQ to 23. Where would you like us to head to? We're at Zariello. 23 command 23 command. 3 tower to 23 command. Okay. 23 command to 3 tower. 3 tower, pull straight into the scene, and you'll pull it right behind by 1501, and they're going to feed you water. I want you operation right away. 6623 command.
44 control to 23 command.
23 command.
23 command, there has been a request for the command van to your location. Where would you like them staged?
Bowling Alley parking lot, 9W.
Received. 44 control to 23 command. 44 control, 23 command.
Go ahead, control.
Okay, 23 command, can we just get an update from you?
As of right now, multiple exposures burning, multiple handlines and tower ladders in operation. Had 2 firefighters down who've been removed to Westchester Medical. And we still have a gas-fed fire.
Okay, 23 command, do you require anything further at this time? Command van is en route as well.
Okay, I'll put the command van in the Bowling Alley parking lot. Get me a pumper from Department 9 to stand by at 2300. And a fast team for Department 2 up to 2100.
Okay, pumper from 9 for standby at 23-100, and a fast team from 2, and you would like them to stand by at 23-100 as well?
Affirmative, control.
Received.
44 control, 23 command.
23 command.
Just got a call from O&R Electric. They're dumping most of the grid in your area.
Beautiful, thank you.